Hey guys, this is Mitch here again at Fillmore Buick GMC. This right here is our 2019 Dodge Charger, only 66,000 miles. Beautiful striped hood. As you come around to, you see the side here, you've got the upgraded 20-inch Mopar rims. And once again, this vehicle only has 66,000 miles. So if you're looking for a 2019 Dodge Charger, come see us today. It's a GT model. You can buy this vehicle for $36,995. Take a peek at the interior here. Jet black interior. This is one of the most spacious vehicles on the market. Front and rear seating. Guys, my name's Mitch. Y'all call me here, 228-216-7905. Schedule a test drive today. Thank you.